that is money. Do you know what is the sign of rupees? This is the sign of rupees, right? Rupees, suppose 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Is that clear? This is the relation between rupees and paise, right? So the first question that will be asked to convert rupees into paise, and second is paise into rupees. Is that clear? So for example, we have rupees 2.10 means 2 rupees 10 paise, and we have to convert this into paise. So what you will do, you will just remove this decimal point and write 210 paise. Is that clear? For example, here we have 210 paise, and we have to convert this into rupees. What you will do, after 2 places put a decimal point. See, 1, 2, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So always remember, after 2 places you have to place the decimal point. And first write the sign, that is rupees. Now 1 and 2, so 2.10. This is converted into rupees. One more example, suppose we have 0.50. This is what? 50 paise, right? If this is written or rupees 0.5, suppose if this is coming in, both are same. This is what? This is 50 paise. See, we have to remove this decimal point. What will be there? This is 5050, right? This is meaningless if it is written like suppose 05 and this is 550. So this is what? This is 5 and this is 50. If you increase so many zeros before 5, then 2 it is 5. Is that clear? So always remember, this is meaningless. Here this 0 before 5, if it is written 050, we have removed this decimal point. So what is left? 050. So what is the actual meaning of 050 is 50. Is that clear? Now for this, if you remove this decimal point, you will get 5. Always remember, we have to write the paise side in 2 digits. So we will always, after decimal, we will use 2 digits. So you will get ultimately this 0. If you remove this, you will get 50 paise. Is that clear? One more, here if you see 50 paise, you will write rupees. After 2 places, put the decimal point. 1, 2. So 0.50. This is 50 paise. If suppose it is written here 5 paise. So this is first, this is second, and now we are talking about third. That is rupees 5 paise. So always remember, this is 5 paise, right? So if you remove this decimal point, you will get 005. So ultimately this is what? 5 paise. If suppose question comes 5 paise and we have to convert this into rupees. So what you will write? You will write after 2 places you have to put the decimal point. So this is 1, and what is before this? 0. Definitely we have so many zeros before 5, that is meaningless. But for taking 2 decimal point, so 1 and this one is 0. See, we have so many zeros over here, so we can write 1 2, count 1 2 and decimal. So 0 0 5. This will give you 5 paise, right? In rupees form, in terms of rupees, you can write 5 paise like this. Now let's see the questions. Convert into paise. What you have to do, always remember, if it is written rupees 8, so definitely we have 00 paise, right? So what is the rule? What trick I have told you? Just remove this decimal point and this sign. So answer will be 800 paise. And we know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So this 8 rupees will be equals to 800 paise. So you can directly write here 1500 paise, right? Now again remove this decimal point, this rupee sign, 750, right? Now here remove this decimal point and this, you will get 95 paise. Actually 095. What do you mean by 095? That is 95 paise. Now this second question, write in short form, or the question will be asked, convert it into rupees. So what you will do, here 2 rupees and 10 paise, always remember 2 then 10 paise you will write in 2-digit number. So that this is always, this is what, 10 paise, already in 2-digit number, you will write 0.10. If suppose it is 1 paise, so you will write 012.01 paise, rupees, right? Sorry, 2 rupees 1 paise, you will write like 2.01, right? Here it is already in 2-digit number, no need to change, right? This is 80 paise, so always remember the rupees is 0 and 80 paise you have to write in 2-digit number, so this is 80, 0.80. Here 45 rupees, then 25 paise, this is already in 2-digit number. See, this is one digit number. This is the best example. 70 rupees and 5 paise. So 70 rupees you will write like this, and now this you have to write in 2-digit number. So 5 paise can be written as 2-digit number without changing the value of 5. 05 will give you 5, right? If you write 50, then it will become 50. So you will write 05. Is that clear? So 70 rupees 5 paise you will write like this. Is that clear? Now next question will be add 2 rupees, right? So what you will do, always remember you have to take care of decimal points. So you will write first number, that is 8.50, and here rupees 9.10. This decimal point should come under decimal point. You have to keep in mind. Is that clear? Now this can be added. See, this is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 8 plus 9 is 17. So this is the answer. Is that clear? Take one more example. This is, you will write 16.30, and here rupees. If suppose 2 rupees 55 paise, then what you will do? See, I'm just changing the question. Suppose this is 4 rupees 55 paise. How you will write this 4 rupees 55 paise? See, you have to maintain the decimal point. So decimal point under decimal point, you will go first 4 digit, 4 you will write in ones place, then you will go for tens place, right? So 4 is here, 5 and 5. Now add this. So 505, 5 plus 3 8, and 4 plus 3 6, 1 carry, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and this is the final answer, 20 rupees 85 paise. Is that clear? Now let's see how to do subtraction. You have to arrange the numbers accordingly as you arrange in addition. So write the first number, that is 14.70 paise, and here we have 9. See, we have to arrange 9 here and 50 here. Now subtract this. This is 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. Right? Now take borrow from this. This will become 0, and this is 14. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So the answer is, what you have to do, just add, what should be added to 9 to get 14? So 5. 9 plus 5 is 14. So this is simple. Without subtraction, you can do the subtraction, right? With the help of addition, you can do the subtraction, right? See, this is 35 rupees and 90 paise minus rupees 23 paise, 23 rupees 50 paise. For instance, suppose this is 90 and this is 50. So make this 50 and this is 90. Right? See, you have to arrange the number like this. Now 23 and this is 90. Now subtract this. This is what? 0. This is smaller than this, so it will take borrow from this number. This will become 4. This will become 15. Now this is greater than this. This is greater than this. This is greater than this. Now everything is matched here. Now what you have to do? Ask one question, that is what should be added to 9 to get 15? So you will get the answer 6. Now 1 and this is 1. So this is the simple way to arrange and do the subtraction. Is that clear? Now let's see how to multiply. Same way you have to multiply as you multiply in the decimal form. So this is 15.60 and you have to multiply by 4. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24, 24, then decimal, then 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 22, 2, right here 2, 4 1 the 4, 5 6, 62. Is that clear? Now let's see another example. See, rupees 2930 multiplied by 6. Now what you have to do? 6 0 0, 6 is 18, 1 8, then decimal point. You are crossing the decimal. Now you are taking 9. So before taking 9, you are crossing the decimal point. So put here decimal. So 6 9s are 54, 55, 5 and 5, 55. Now 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5, 12 plus 5 17. Once again check. 6 zeros are 0, 6 3s are 18, 1 8, 6 9s are 9 6 are 54, 55, 5 5, 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. Put the rupee sign. Is that clear? One more important thing I want to tell you. For example, if you want to multiply any number and that number is suppose 0.05 multiplied by 0.002 and you have to multiply by suppose 2.3. See, this much big number is there. So what you have to do, just without decimal, what number is coming out? 5. here 2. So 5 2s are 10. 10 into 23, 230. See, 230. This is the answer. But for putting the decimal point, what you will do? Count the decimal places. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then decimal. This is the actual answer. Is that clear? So this is the simple trick how to do this. Just multiply simply 2930 into 6 and put decimal after 2 places. This is the answer, and after this put 2 decimals. Decimal after 2 places. Here also multiply simply 1560 with 4. You will get the answer 6240, and after see 1 2 after 2 places you have to put the decimal. So this is decimal. The next topic is divide. So how to divide this? This is dividend and this is divisor. Is it clear? So this is the way you have to write the number. You will write the dividend inside this sign, and here 2. So this is 1 digit number. Take 1 digit number first. 2 2s are 4. Now bring down this 2. 2 1s are 2. Then bring down 8. You are crossing 8, so put decimal point. 2 4s are 8. Now bring down this 0 also. So 2 zeros are 0. Is that clear? So the answer is rupees 21.40. 21 rupees 40 paise. This will be your answer. Right. Now take another example. This is 14480. 8 ones are, see, this is 1 digit number, this is 1 digit number, but 1 is less than 8, so we'll take 2 digit. Now 14 is greater than 8, so always remember you have to take this number greater than this number. So 1 is less than 8, so we'll take 2 digit number. So 8 ones are 8. Now what should be added to 8 to get 14? So 8 plus 6 is 14. Now bring down this 4, 64. 8 8s are 64. Now bring down this 8. You are crossing a decimal point and bringing down the 8, so you have to put the decimal point here. 8 ones are 8. Now this is 0. 8 zeros are 0. Is that clear? So the answer is rupees 18 and 10 paise. This will be the answer. Is that clear? So for the timing, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. As usual, God bless you.